We have with us Mr. Kausal Soparkar. He is the Managing Director of Make Money Finecam. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
There was a lot of discussion today on the demand and the supply part of it, and we are planning to reach $300 billion in next 4 to 5 years. So, how do you see the industry as per se, and how do you see participation of Make Money in the overall scheme of things?
See, definitely this year was started on a different note because of COVID, and nobody anticipated how the COVID is going to take shape and how it's going to affect the industry. But overall, this is one of the best years the entire chemical sector had, and nobody thought that chemical sector will bounce back like anything. And in fact, if you look at chemical companies, were the first one who started emerging very fast out of in this COVID situation. Yes, there were some challenges, but still we managed to pull it off, those challenges. And so definitely, and because of this and geopolitical issues, people are looking India as a rising upcoming chemical sector country, and this is going to benefit all existing chemical industry players. As far as the Make Money is concerned, we have invested in our projects close to 800 crores in last 3 years, and those projects are now already commissioned. So we'll see those results in our upcoming quarters. Plus, we are making fresh investment above 500 crore odds in various downstream projects like epichlorohydrin, CPVC, in agrochemical intermediates and all. So those projects will also ship up in next 2 years. So we are seeing a lot of positives for the chemical sector.
You talked about the new investments that you would be making. If you can elaborate a bit on that part, and what would be its implication on the revenue as you move forward?
So in Make Money Finecam, we have adding 2 more products. One is epichlorohydrin, which goes into manufacturing epoxy resins. Currently, there is no manufacturer of epichlorohydrin in India, so we'll be the first one to make. And we are making 100% from the renewable raw material. So that's a very unique technology we have adopted for that one. Once that's commissioned, then it will be adding roughly 300 crore in top line. Then we are also going to make chlorinated PVC, which is called CPVC. Largely it is utilized in plumbing. Most of the piping companies do use CPVC for the hot water application nowadays. And once that is commissioned, it will add additional 200 crore in our top line for Make Money Finecam. We believe that both this project will be completed by 3rd quarter of next financial year.
And are you planning to, what we can say, delist or list some of your other companies as you move forward?
MFL, Make Money Finecam, is a subsidiary of Make Money Organics, where Make Money Organics own 57%. Currently, MFL is under demerger process from MOL, and it is part of NCLT. Now NCLT is hearing our application, and once that goes through, then MFL will be also listed on BSE NSE just like MOL. So we believe that in next 6 months that should be done.
So if I talk about the next 2 years capex, what would be in terms of the capex amount that you are looking at?
So currently this 500 crores plus 300 crore in agrochemical, we have already committed that.
Okay.
That has already been announced, and we are in the, what I would say, that we already finished 60-70% of that capex, and we feel that by March of next financial year, that project should commercialize. That is our short-term target, and if something comes up in between, then definitely we will announce to the market immediately.
One last question with respect
Yes.
to COVID and its implication on digitization of plants. So now with the new plants coming up, are you looking at, say, an increased digitization of these plants moving forward?
See, at Make Money Finecam, all the plants are continuous plant based on the DCS system.
Okay.
So that is from the day one, since we started manufacturing at this site since 2009.
Okay.
So we are already in the digitalization space already. Yes, there is always room for an improvement because new technologies keeps on coming, new softwares are keeps on coming. So we always continuously evaluate those, and wherever we find that is applicable to us, definitely we will look into that.
Thank you, sir.